Ekhuluma engaphakathi kwemoto yamaphoyisa ebizwa ngenyala, uLesufi ubonge bonke laba bakwazile ukufinqa imkhono balwe lesihlava sokucwasa kulesikole.
I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for demonstrating your rejection of racism of any form.
Ubese kuqinisekisa ukuthi umnyango uzobhekana nalabo ababandakanyeke ezigamekweni eziqubulelo umsindo.
Those that have been identified as culprits, we will attend to them appropriately.
Yes.
Omunye umzalo nengane efunda kulesikole uchaze kabanzi ngaqabanga ukuthi yisona sisusa sodunyane.
Two boys were fighting and he took the one because it's his duty. He took the one off from the other one. We heard it yesterday from the father's mouth and he was there. And then they started attacking him, jumping on his back, and he fought back. And that's where the trouble started.
Abanye abazali bathi sidla lubi isihlava sokucwasa kulesikole.
There's always been a racist at this school and kids have been complaining. Everybody has been complaining. We're not talking about this school only because we have other primary schools with the same things are happening. Only because this had a video that went viral. That is why our parents saying they were sick and tired.
Omunye umfundi uthi waxhimfwa ngesibhakela eshaywa umlungu kanti kunothisha osolo ngokunukubeza abafundi.
I was one of the females that got punched in the face by a boy. When we reported it to school, they don't do anything. They just remove the boys from the sports, and me and Felyun were given detention. There's a teacher in the school, I won't say the name, who is busy tormenting on young learners, young girls. Yeah. They know them.
Abanye abazali bakhala ngokuthi uma ngabe abafundi bebalela iminyama bonile bajeziswa ngendlela ehlukile kanti uma abafundi abamhlophe bonile bona kuyayekethiswa nje kuthalaliswe. Beyikhulumela bona abafundi bathi ukubizwa ngegama eliwucwasa neliqala ngohlamvu okay sekwaba insakavukela umchilo wesidwaba. Amaphoyisa bethwele kanzima ezama ukudambisa isimo. Omunye umfundi ukhale ngokuthisha thizeni aze wamgagula ngegama wathi uhlukumeza abanye abafundi abangamantombazane. Kepha ke ngenxa yokuthi kufanele ayiphendulele angeke salibiza igama lakhe lapha.
They might have oppressed our parents and succeeded. Yes. They will never oppress our children.
Bonke lokhu kwenzeka nje ababonwa nangokhalo abafunda abamhlophe. NginguCalvin Dludla, kwizindaba zeSABC ngibika ngiseGoli.